Hello there, my name's Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2021 Ford Transit Custom Active model. This is a short wheelbase version, a crew cab of course as well, having up to 5 seats inside, and it comes to you in a lovely orange as well. So now just taking you around the vehicle, I will take you inside of the passenger seat just to show you inside. So up at the front we do of course just have the 2 seats, both with armrests and heated seats of leather, which you can see controlled just there. And if I just open up the back as well, you can see we have the additional 3 seats, once again also leather as well. If I just take your attention to the bottom here, we do have a step to help you get in and out of the vehicle as well. And opening up the rear here into the cargo space, you can see first of all it is rather generous for a short wheelbase crew cab custom. Now in the back we do have cargo rings as well, just tie down any load you may be carrying, as well as interior lights just to see what you're doing. And this also then shows us that there are no dents, scratches or big bumps inside the bulkhead as well, suggesting that the previous owner only used this vehicle for light loads. Now I will just take you round to the driver's seat to show you some of the conveniences. It is beeping at me because I've left most of the doors open, so please do just ignore that. Okay, so inside we do have cruise control and also voice assist, hands-free cooling, which also means this vehicle comes with Bluetooth, a trip computer, speedometer, radio, phone, and further on with more settings. This is of course an automatic, and it comes with air conditioning, heated seats like I said earlier, radio as well. And if I pop it into reverse, you can see that we have a reversing camera and a sensor as well. And if I just pop it back into neutral, I can show you that if we go into settings here, we do have a couple more features for you as well.